Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes once again. In today's class, we will going to discuss about equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. It is very important derivation for the board exam because very most important numericals based on this derivations. So how can we derive? See on the board. Consider for the following galvanic cell हम यहाँ पे galvanic cell को कंसीडर कर लेंगे. Suppose a very familiar galvanic cell is Zn state of as single boundary, Zn2 plus state of aqueous, salt base, Cu2 positive, state of aqueous, single boundary, Cu state of S. For this galvanic cell, we know that this is the anodic part and the right hand part will be the cathodic part. Now, from the previous knowledge, by using Nernst equation, then E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over NF log concentration to reactant Zn2 positive over concentration Cu2 positive. ये आपको लास्ट क्लास में हमने सिखाया था ये रिलेशन. फॉर equilibrium we know that E cell equals to 0. लास्ट क्लास में आपको सिखाया गया था इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट में किसी भी सेल का E cell वैल्यू 0 होता है. सो पुट हियर then 0 equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over NF into log concentration Zn2 positive over concentration Cu2 positive, right? Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now this portion should be transferred into the LHS. So either you can written as E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT over NF log concentration Zn2 positive over concentration Cu2 positive. For a general reaction, Zn state of S plus Cu2 positive state of aqueous gives out Zn2 positive state of aqueous plus Cu state of S. Equilibrium constant will be concentration of products, that means concentration of Zn2 positive into concentration Cu over concentration Zn concentration Cu2 positive. For metallic concentration concentration of Cu and concentration of Zn equals to unity, because they both occupying in solid state. So that's why the concentration of both will be unity. So put here then K equals to only remain concentration Zn2 positive over concentration Cu2 positive. Suppose this equation 3, from equation 3 there is 0 equals to E naught cell. E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT over NF into log. At the place of this portion we can put K, which is equilibrium constant. Now on multiplying NF by E naught cell, so you can written as NF E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT log K. Now, as we know that delta G equals to minus 2.303 RT log K, then minus will be shifted into LHS. So minus delta G is equals to 2.303 RT log K. Then finally, using this particular equation, NF E naught cell is equals to minus delta G, or delta G we can use naught here. Delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught cell. This particular formula should be used in the numericals, as well as this formula is also used in the numericals, where K equals to equilibrium constant, del G naught is equals to standard Gibbs free energy. So as you can see, we can derive equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation, and there are two formulas which you can use for the calculation E naught cell, either equilibrium constant. Thank you.